Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Yesterday we had finished till verse number 28 and here it is verse number 29 of Surah Baqarah. Let's start. Huwa allazi khalaqa lakum. He is the one who. Huwa, this is detached pronoun. Huwa. Huwa means he. Allazi means the one who. He is the one who. This he goes to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, he is the one who khalaqa. He, one person, has created. This is past tense singular. Khalaqa, he one created. Khalaqu, they all created. Khalaqa, he one created. Khalaqu, they all created. This is singular. He is the one who he created. Lakum, the la plus kum, for you. This you refers to the entire human being. Whatever, for you, whatever, ma, what, fi means in, whatever is in al-ard, the earth. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is saying that Jamia, all together. He is the one who he is means Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is the one who he created for you. This you refers to the whole human being, the entire human being. For you, whatever is in the earth all together. So ma, then whatever is in the earth, it is for you. Summa, then astawa, he turned. Ila means towards. As-samai, the sama, heavens, the heavens. Fasawwahunna, fa means then, sawwa means he fashioned, hunna means them. This hunna goes to the heavens. Then he fashioned them. Sab'a samawat, sab'a means seven, samawat means heavens, as seven heavens. And he is, okay, let me tell you one thing. In Quran Majid, there are two type of verses, okay. One is called muhkamat, okay, and the other one is mutashabihat, okay. This means allegorical. Okay, muhkamat verses means those verses whose meanings are very much clear to us. Do's and don'ts, what we should do, what we should not do. These things come under the muhkamat verses. Okay. Also some history of other prophets, also Musa alayhi salam, and history of Noah alayhi salam, and people of Hud and people of Ad. All those verses, they comes under muhkamat verses because it is clear. Okay, mutashabihat, in these verses comes like alif, lam, mim, ha, mim, ya, ain, suad. These are all allegorical. These meanings are not clear to us. And also this part of the verse also comes in this category only. This Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala knows best what he did here in this means here. Then how he turned towards the sky, then how he fashioned them as seven heavens. This we all not know. And these meanings are not clear to us. So this part of the verse comes under mutashabihat, means allegorical verses. And he bikulli, of every shay'in, thing, alim, he is all knower. Okay, see Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala again is saying the same thing, that here that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala knows everything. Okay, and he is of everything, he is all knower. Let's revise this verse. He is the one who he created for you. Whatever this you, in this you comes the entire human being, whether they are believer, they are disbeliever, or hypocrite, or all the people, either they are believing Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala or not, they are believing in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. But Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is saying that whatever is in the earth, it is for all of you. Okay, whatever is in the earth altogether. Then summastawa, he turned towards the sky. Fasawwahunna, then he fashioned them as seven heavens. And he is of everything, he is all knower. So this is the end of this ruku. From this part, this is the new ruku is getting started here in Surah Baqarah. I think this is the fourth ruku of Surah Baqarah. We are going to start. What is and? Is means when, and isn't. See, is means when. Isn't means in that case. In that case. And when qala, he said, this he here refers to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And when he said, Rabbaka, your Lord. Who is he? Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is saying that your Lord. And when your Lord said, Lil Malaika. See, Lil Malaika, this word is addition of Li plus Al plus Malaika. Okay, Malaika. This verse is again plural of Malakun. This is one angel. Malaika means many angels. Li means to or for. Al means the. To the. Malaika means angels. Okay, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is saying that when your Lord said to the Malaika angels, Inni, indeed I am, Ja'ilun, I am going to make. Jim Ain La is the root word here. Jim Ain La is the root word here, means to make. Ja'il means the one who makes. This is doer. Indeed, I am going to make. Fi means in. Al-Ard, the earth. Khalifa, a vicegerent. Qala, Qalu, they all. This Qalu means they all. Qalu said. They all said. Who they are? They all means the angels. Here Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, this is the conversation between Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and the angels. Okay. So when Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said to the angels that I am going to place a vicegerent on the earth, they all replied. Immediately they replied, Ataj'alu, this I will go in question. Okay. This I will go in question. Whether or will. This always when it comes in question, it is like help. The question starting from the helping verb. Taj'alu, to taj'alu. This ta will go. This ta will give you the meaning of you. Do you ja'ala will make. Do you make fiha or will you place fiha in it? This fi plus ha. In it, man, the one who. Man means the one who. Who yufsidu. This here will again give the meaning of he. Fasada, this word has come across in the last two verses, in the last ruku also. Fasada is the root word here. Fa, seen and dal means to spread corruption. Yufsidun, those people who spread corruption. This word was there in the last ruku. They all spread corruption. Fi plus ha, in it. This ha refers to the earth. What they all are saying, the angels are saying that, will you place therein the one who he will spread corruption therein. And what that person will do, the vicegerent will do. First thing, he will spread corruption on the earth. Second thing, what they will do, and yusfik. This here will give the meaning of he. Seen for ka is the root word here, means to shed blood. Okay, seen for ka is the root word. To shed ad-dima'a, the blood, and he will shed blood. Wanahanu, and nahnu, we. Nusabbihu, this now goes to glory, we. This now again gives the meaning of we. Seen baha is the root word here, means to glorify. Seen baha is the root word, means to glorify. To glorify. And we glorify bihamdik. Be means with, hamd means praise, ka means your, with your praise. Okay, we glorify you with your praise. This is who is saying to whom? The angels are saying to or replying to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that, will you place therein the one who will spread corruption on the earth? And then what the second thing he will do? That vicegerent, they will shed the blood. And what we do, we glorify with your praise. Wa nuqaddis, and what else we do? We nuqaddis, we sanctify laka, for you, or we sanctify to you. Qala, sanctify. Qaf, dal, sin is the root word here. Is the root word here, means to sanctify. Sanctify. And we sanctify to you. Qala, he said. Now this he again, this is singular, means Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is again replying them. He is saying, he said, indeed I, indeed I, alamu, I know, ma'ala, what not, ta'alamun, ta and waw noon means you all, alama means no. You all know. This you all goes to the angels. Okay. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is then again replying them that indeed I know what not you all know. Okay. This story will continue in the next we cannot say story, this is the real waqiya. So this will continue in the next verses also. Let's revise. He is the one who he created for you whatever is in the earth altogether. Then he turned towards the sky. Then he fashioned them as 7 heavens. And he is of everything. He is all knower. And when your Lord said to the angels, indeed I am going to make on the earth a vicegerent. Qalu, they all replied, do you place therein the one who he will spread corruption therein, and he will shed blood, and we glorify with your praise, and we sanctify to you. He said, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala replied again, he said, indeed I know what not you all know. Okay, so this was ayat number 30, I think. Wa akhiru dawana anil hamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.